everyone, it's Miss Amelia with Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make this month's Kids Take and Make Kit, which is a patriotic marshmallow launcher. So let's get started. Inside your kit that you can pick up at the Columbus or Saluda Library throughout this month is a blue balloon. Your kit may have a paper towel roll or a toilet paper tube. If your kit does not, you can grab one of these from home to make your craft with. You also have your measuring sheet, because as soon as you make your patriotic marshmallow launcher, you're going to want to do a couple of test rounds to see how far you can make your marshmallow shoot across your yard. So that is to record your measurements. You'll also have a blank piece of paper. I have already decorated mine for the purpose of this video, so you could decorate it with red, white, and blue to make it even more patriotic. You also have 5 marshmallows that you can use with your launcher, and you have a red rubber band. I'm going to sit our bag over to the side. From home, you will need some tape, and you will also need a pair of scissors. So I'm going to take my paper towel roll, and I'm going to tape my decorated piece of paper to the end of it. You could put stars on your marshmallow launcher. You could put stripes like I put on mine, or you could just do red, white, and blue colors. All right, keep taping this. Okay, our next step is to cut our balloon. So this is a very important part of the project. We are going to cut the end of our balloon off just like that with our scissors. So your balloon should look like this. You're going to go ahead and tie a knot in the end of it. You may need an adult to help you with this step, or an older sibling. Okay. And you are going to use your rubber band to secure the balloon to your paper towel roll. And you may need to wrap it twice. I'm going to try wrapping mine just once and see what happens. Okay, you don't want it to crush your paper towel roll. Okay, perfect. Make sure your balloon is all the way secure around the bottom. And then it's time to test it out. So you're gonna put a marshmallow in your marshmallow shooter. You're gonna pull back on the balloon tied end. And there you go. Happy 4th of July and happy summer.